So let's start with the success path. So first I will be giving you a description on the acronyms, and then we will get to the final statement, which is the success path. So the first one is equalize. What I mean by equalize is experience, qualification, interest, soft skills, and expertise. Peaks: position, experience, education, expertise, knowledge, and soft skills. Reassess: research about career expansion and job security and stability. Rigorous: revenue generating operations, revenue obvious upscale. Success: satisfaction, upgraded career credentials, ensuring stability and security. Let me get to that sentence, which has been our motto and which is going to be the key to your success. Equalize to the peaks required as per the current trends and industry demands. Reassess organizations or company to accomplish rigorous monetary growth, which will eventually lead to success. So I hope this whole thing is now summing up. Equalize to the peaks. Equalize, that means your experience, qualification, interest, soft skills, and expertise has to equalize to the peaks. That is the organization, that is the job description. Job description, what does the job description hold? It holds the position, experience, education, expertise, knowledge, and soft skills. Once you are able to match this, you have to then go ahead and reassess. That means you have to research about the organizations for career expansion and where you can get a job that is going to be stable and secure. This is going to lead to rigorous growth. What is rigorous? Revenue generating operations. That means you're going to be choosing a particular organization and a department which is responsible for revenue generation for that particular organization. And revenue generating operations, if you are a part of the revenue generating operations, revenue obvious upscale. That means your revenue of salary is obviously going to grow. This particular phase of Corona has definitely taught us that if you are not responsible for the revenue of the organization, directly or indirectly, if you're not part of a department that is the revenue generating department for your particular organization, you must have lost out on your job because you come in the extras, right? But if you are a part of a department which is related to revenue generation, if you've not lost a job, you must have realized that you are a part of that revenue generating operations. That's why the company does not want to let you lose. So if you're going to be working for a revenue generating operations, you will have revenue obvious upscale. That's a powerful tip, my friends. Keep that in mind. Success. Eventually, once all this is calibrated, if you equalize your particular equalize in itself is an acronym. So your experience, qualification, interest, soft skills, and expertise to the peaks, which is the job description or the requirements from for a particular profile that an organization requires. That is position, experience, education, expertise, knowledge, and soft skills. Then you go ahead and reassess the organization so that your job is stable and secure. That will automatically lead to rigorous growth because you have to target a department that is a revenue generating department. If you target that, you will have your revenue in terms of salary, which will be an obvious upscale, leading to success. That means you're satisfied with your job, you are upgraded with your career credentials. That means you're growing in terms of the hierarchy, ensuring job security and job stability. I wish you all the best. Take rest, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.